Well, I didn't expect to need to be making this video today, but it's time, it's due. If you are a Meta Ray-Ban, Meta Original, or Oakley user that has received the version 126 update that we just talked about recently, we need to discuss it a little more because it seems to be completely broken for a lot of users. While there isn't a kill bug necessarily in this build for any of their glasses, there are some significant issues that really do need to be discussed. I actually did a little research, pulled all these complaints up, and want to go over them for you really quick. But before we do so, I want to let you guys know, if you have not installed this and don't have auto updates on, do not download this right now. I do believe we'll see a .1 update or a future update for 126 that will improve on these issues. But yeah, there's quite a lengthy list. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and go over them. And the first main one that users are complaining about is battery drain is higher, and it is the most common issue known right now. Several users are reporting that battery life seems shorter after updating, especially when using the new AI features like Muse Spark and enhanced visual AI. Heavy AI usage has appeared to consume noticeably more power than previous firmwares. That is something I have 100% seen myself and dealt with. Beyond that, the responses from AI are also significantly slower. There's longer processing times when saying "you know what" as the hot words. The delays when asking visual AI questions are significant, and there's occasional pauses even being receiving the answers needed. There are some new features even missing after updating, and this personally, including you guys in the comments below, is what I've seen a lot of. Muse Spark, dynamic photos, live location sharing, battery saver mode, and additional languages aren't appearing for users after this update. We showed you guys in ours when we actually did it where they should be found and where they could be found, but a lot of people are not seeing those, specifically around the dynamic photos. That's one we've seen, but Muse Spark AI was missing from ours, the location sharing was kind of missing, and battery saving options was not present when we reviewed this and showed you guys our first look. Beyond that also, Meta is performing a server-side rollout, so updating the firmware alone doesn't guarantee immediate access necessarily. However, at this point, we've had this update for a while and still have not received these features. Now, battery saver mode not appearing, specifically users are mentioning that this isn't showing up even when they're connected and updated, like I said. iPhone media syncing is inconsistent. They advertise now a new Wi-Fi aware transfers. You shouldn't have to go ahead and connect to your glasses every time. It should be smart enough to know and automatically transfer over. That is not being consistent right now either. I've still had to verify the connection, and you know how it says connect to Meta glasses via Wi-Fi. That's still happening even if that new Wi-Fi aware is turned on. This whole update just seems broken in a lot of different facets. I don't use WhatsApp personally, but it's showing that as not being available immediately after updating also, so that's kind of strange. But all is not doom and gloom in this update. There are also some positives that people are taking away from it. First of all, being better AI understanding, faster image recognition, it says here, improved voice recognition, smoother navigation, better hibernation behavior, more reliable Bluetooth reconnecting, and overall stability. But it is still not worth the update and the headache if you haven't done so already. Unlike previous firmware releases too, I'm not seeing issues at all. I haven't actually seen a single one of glasses getting bricked, which is a known issue with Meta updates. Luckily, that is not the case just now. I haven't had a single camera failure at all, and no Bluetooth disconnects. The only other thing that I'm seeing from this update that isn't being reported is simply when you actually take the glasses out of the case, or even unfold them if they're not in the case, and put them on and get that chime for the connection, the chime comes in, but the glasses do not immediately connect. I've seen substantial delays, and even sometimes I've had to close the actual arms of the glasses, reopen them, and put them on before any of that worked. So again, obviously all of these are not deal breakers. They're not bricking glasses. I'm going to say this and then somebody's going to comment down below that their glasses are bricked. So sorry about that, guys, but I haven't seen any real significant horrible behavior, but it's still not good. I would definitely hold off. There should be an update rolling out in the very near future. In the comments down below, let me know your experiences and what has not worked for you after updating for version 126 and what glasses you're using. I'm just one person. These are my experiences and what I've seen from you guys posting issues on in our other videos. Let us know down below, and we will keep you posted and catch you in the next one. Peace.